What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Yes, H2 still down. I haven't gone to the shop. I thought I was gonna go to the shop the other day right after I posted that video, but it was kind of late, so I'm gonna wait till Tuesday. This Tuesday coming up to go to the shop. But anyways, today's video, I wanted to talk about maintenance. I wanted to ask you guys, what is your maintenance habit when it comes to the H2 or any other cars? Because I know some of you have other cars besides the H2. The reason why I wanted to make today's video is because after that video I posted a couple of days ago, letting you guys know the H2 was down, I find myself talking to some of you guys over on Instagram and through the emails. By the way, if you're one of the few that went ahead and took on the comment section to suggest what could have gone wrong with the H2, thank you. Again, after that happened, because of the subject that came up on a lot of these emails that I got from some of you guys and a lot of the messages that I got on Instagram, it kind of got me thinking about how I've been treating the H2 lately, how I've been getting, kind of making me realize that I'm getting a little lazy compared to the way I used to do things a while back. By the way, before I forgot, during these conversations that we had, some of you have asked me, where is my son's Nissan GTR? We're gonna make a couple of videos on it. Just give me some time and we'll start posting videos. I know I promised you guys after the first couple of videos that we made after he got the car that I was going to be more often. That hasn't happened yet. My son and I don't live in the same house, so he's got his things going, I got my things going, but no worries, we'll eventually start making more videos with that. We'll probably start going to a lot of more car meets. I'm not talking about street takeovers. I don't do those. I'm talking like toy drives and stuff like that. Yesterday there was a toy drive that we wanted to go to, we couldn't go. But anyways, the videos are coming. Some time ago, if anything break on the H2, I would have gone ahead and fixed it right away or within the next couple of days. Lately, not due to time, because I have got plenty of time, I noticed that I've been getting a little lazy, and things like what happened the other day happens when you get a little lazy. I had no signs at all that booster pump was gonna go out on me. Usually you do have a little signs here and there. I had no signs at all. That was an out of the sudden thing. But after I went and looked at everything here at home, when I calmed down a bit, I looked at the overall situation on the H2, and I started noticing little things that I said a few months ago. Hey, I want to fix this, I want to fix that, I want to make a video about it to show people. Still till this day I haven't done it. So I've been getting a little lazy, and I'm interested in finding from you guys, what is your maintenance habit with the H2 and any other vehicles that you own? Are you that kind of guy that goes ahead and checks everything every end of the week? Are you the kind of guy that sees one little thing and right away goes and checks on it? Let me know in the comments. I want this video to be like a learning experience for both of us. I also know that this could happen to anybody. We get lazy. Some of us really don't have that time. Some of us do have time, but again, we get lazy. Going back to the subject about maintenance on the H2, again, let me know what your habits are. Let me know if you're just this kind of guy that's always picky about everything. I used to be like that, but with time it kind of went away because I think I was going the extra mile. Like every little thing that I'll see, I'll stop what I was doing and go on ahead and fix it. So that's what I wanted to find out with today's video. I wanted to share that experience. I want you to tell me, hey, this is how I do it. Maybe I learned something from you guys. Maybe you learned something from somebody else in the comment section. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned this week. Sometime this week, I'll say maybe on Friday or before this Friday coming up, I'm going to make the video and give you an update on, what happened to the H2. What else did I fix? Because other than that booster pump, I think I'm going to fix a couple of other things that I want to share that with you guys. So thanks a lot for watching. See you guys on the next one.